Hi, welcome to Nurse Talk with Cor and Laur. I'm Karina.
And I'm Laura.
And this is our second video blog that we're creating for our course in informatics.
So this week is Module 2, and in the discussion we're sharing our thesis topics and critiquing each other and trying to give some helpful hints. We're going to share our different ideas with you and hope that you can give us some feedback on them. So, what topic have you chose to sort of focus in on?
Well, I've been thinking about a few things, Laura. I haven't quite decided exactly what I'm going to do, but I think I want to talk about something about cybersecurity and confidentiality issues or potential issues that could result with the increased use of technology and informatics.
Nice. So, Karina, do you have an idea of the thesis you want to use?
Well, I've been working on something, Laura. I don't know how it sounds. So this is what I've got so far. The increasing use of informatics in healthcare creates both opportunities and threats due to the accessibility, the sensitivity of the data, and overall cybersecurity.
Sounds like you're on the right track. If I could offer a little bit of a suggestion is that maybe at the end there it's getting a little bit wordy, and if you could make it more concise, that might be something to work on in the coming days, or if some of the students maybe have
if anyone has some ideas for me. I guess what I'm really trying to communicate is just talk about how accessible information is, yet emphasize how sensitive the information is and how that could lead to such negative outcomes for people if anything were to be accessed by someone who shouldn't be accessing it. Mm-hmm. So then somehow I need to tie in cybersecurity with that and confidentiality. So obviously my thesis needs some work, but I will just hopefully get some feedback and be able to put something together.
Sounds good. I think it's definitely a worthwhile topic discussing and could be really interesting.
I hope it'll be interesting. Yeah. So Laura, what ideas have you come up with so far for your thesis?
So I've sort of come up with two different ideas, both on the same topic. Okay. I want to discuss something along the lines of hospital staff using smartphones or tablets. Okay. I think that it's definitely arguable from both sides. Mm-hmm. I just can't decide which side would be more interesting of a read for people. Okay. So my first thesis pertains to the pro side of having smartphones and tablets. I've gone with the use of smartphones and tablets in nursing provides benefits to patient care that's here to stay. And my con side against the use of them is the use of smartphones and tablets in healthcare poses major risks to the safety of patients. So I found lots of points for both sides, and I just can't really decide which might be more interesting to write and read about. So I'm looking for some advice on that.
Right. Well, I really like that you're using a topic where there is two sides that you can look at. I think that's really interesting, and I think that might help write this type of essay. And I think really the things you've discussed here, they're very relatable to what we all experience in our workplace already, and the other students as well. Mm-hmm. So that could, I think that would be an interesting read.
Yeah, I hope so.
So I guess that's really all we have for now. We will continue to work on our thesis statements and hopefully get some feedback and be able to make something a little more viable for our paper. So we appreciate any feedback, any comments, and we'll do the same for you as well when we get a chance.
Mm-hmm. So have a good week, and we'll see you again next week.